As you can see here, I have soap. This is really dirty. And as you can see here, I got it this clean. I'm going to show you how to get it this clean. I soaked it with this Great Value bathroom cleaner with bleach. I'm going to do another soap again. Typically you would throw something out like this, but it's last minute. Don't have time to get a new one. See how it just comes right off? Wow, look at that. It comes right off. It's really gross. Might as well just do the whole thing and then wash the sponge off. These days, people are really into wipes, and I believe in a wipe, but you gotta scrub first. That's the only way you're gonna get the dirt off. See how the dirt just from spraying and moving is getting in the sink? Okay, I paused because Dad came and he's on the phone, but he closed his door again. So now I'm just shining it up with Windex. It's still pretty grimy. I didn't wash it off. It's just gonna have to come off with the Windex. And these designs are cute, but they make it really hard to clean. Look at that.